Imagine this. You're enjoying a meal and suddenly, you feel something isn't right with your tooth. This could be a loose filling, and understanding it is key to maintaining your dental health. Let's dive into the signs, causes, and solutions. First, how can you tell if your filling is loose? You might notice a wobble when biting down or a sharp pain from cold foods. Sometimes you may feel a rough edge or experience food getting stuck. If any of these sound familiar, don't ignore them. Now, what causes a filling to come loose? It often happens with old fillings due to constant wear or decay that forms around the edges. Grinding your teeth can worsen the situation too. It's essential to listen to your body and react promptly. When should you seek immediate attention? If biting down causes sharp pain, or if you can see a visible hole, that's a red flag. A loose filling can lead to decay beneath it, which can escalate quickly. Waiting too long might turn a simple repair into a more complicated procedure like a root canal. So, what happens during your repair visit? When you arrive, our team will listen to your concerns. We'll check how loose the filling is, possibly using X-rays for a deeper inspection. After removing the old filling, we'll clean the tooth and apply a new filling, ensuring your bite feels just right. Most repairs can be done in one visit, and you'll be numb during the procedure. For those with older amalgam fillings, special care is required. These fillings can wear down differently and may need replacement with modern materials. We prioritize your comfort and safety, especially if you have concerns about mercury exposure. If you're feeling uncertain about your loose filling, don't hesitate to call us. We're here to provide the care you need. You don't require any special preparation for your visit, just avoid chewing on that loose side. Quickly, let's recap. A loose filling can feel slippery or cause sharp pain. Listen to your body and seek help if necessary. Your visit focuses on identifying the issue, repairing it efficiently, and ensuring your comfort. Ready to take action? Call us today at 718-615-2272 for your appointment, and ensure your smile stays healthy and bright. Don't wait until it's worse. Get the support you need now.